So hello guys, how are you? I think you are fine. So today I am doing the unboxing of Quantum High Tech Oximeter. This is Oximeter by Quantum. Oh, this is not boxed by Flipkart, made of cardboard. As you can see, it is Bikaner. So this is the pulse oximeter first look, and the description is given here. And on left side there are many barcode to redirect on the sites, for example Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. So let you enjoy the video. This is very hard to cut. So let us open the box. This is made in India. Okay, it's nice. Here's a tape that is sealed. From where I should? Okay, from here. Okay, we have got two Duracell batteries and our BP. Oh, sorry, oximeter. There's a nice packaging on it. By scissor we will cut it. As you can see on the back side of it, there are wires that will connect batteries to it. See these batteries that are included by the Quantum in this box only. And there's a holder for this oximeter that we can make a loop at its bottom. There's a punch hole. So I will unbox these batteries and plug it into the oximeter. Okay, so I will have to open this plastic cover, then I will insert it. Okay, so now I have inserted the batteries and I will put back the cover. And now I will start the oximeter. Here's the branded oximeter. Okay, I will insert my finger. It can change its direction, see. Wow, nice. But its screen in one-sided means the screen is not fixed at right position, so I can't see all the screen. And at right side there's a line which is climbing down and up by the heart rate. Okay, I will change the direction to show you because it has to see. Just a second. Sorry for inconvenience. Okay, the BP has come 99 and 96. It's nice, yeah. You can buy it. Okay. So here is the real test of this oximeter by inserting the pen in it, and we will check whether it will show the result as same as human being finger to the fan. So I think it is not observing any type of beat in the pen. I think this is a good and accurate oximeter by Quantum. So we will wait. Okay, then I will show thumbs up because it is not showing any reading. Okay, so you can buy this. This is accurate. Bye.